Traveling in a bright-eyed Gumby on a hippie trailhead full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. She said, "You come from a land down under, women glow and men thunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, better take cover." Buying bread from a man in Brussels. He was 6'4", full of muscle. Oh, I said, "Do you speak my language, brother?" He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. He said, "I come from a land down under, where bitters blow and men chunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover." Again in Bombay, with a slack jaw, not a lot to say. I said to the man, "Are you trying to tempt me? Because I come from the land of plenty." He said, "Oh, you come from a land down under? Yeah, yeah. Women blow and men thunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Living in a land down under, women go and men thunder. Can't you hear the thunder?